Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, in this video, we are going to enhance our vocabulary by learning 15 new words with the letter G. So let's begin. The first word is gaffe. Gaffe is a noun. Its meaning is a mistake that a person makes in public or in a social situation, especially something embarrassing. Its sentence could be, his failure to ask for his teacher's advice was a major gaffe. The second word is gallant. Gallant is an adjective. Its meaning is brave, especially in a very difficult situation. Its sentence could be, the gallant soldier lost his life in the battle. The third word is genial. Genial is an adjective. Its meaning is friendly and cheerful. Its sentence could be, he was a kindly gentleman with white hair and a genial smile. The fourth word is gentry. Gentry is a noun. Its meaning is people belonging to a high social class. Its sentence could be, the gentry travelled in carriages while the poor people walked. The fifth word is genuine. Genuine is an adjective. Its meaning is real or exactly what it appears to be, or not artificial. Its sentence could be, he has always shown a genuine concern for poor people. The sixth word is gingerly. Gingerly is an adverb. Its meaning is in a careful way, because you are afraid of being hurt, of making a noise, etc. Its sentence could be, he opened the box gingerly and looked inside. The seventh word is gist. Gist is a noun. Its meaning is the main or general meaning of a piece of writing, a speech, or a conversation. Its sentence could be, she was having trouble writing a headline that conveyed the gist of her article. The eighth word is glimmer. Glimmer is a noun. Its meaning is a small, unsteady light. Its sentence could be, the faint glimmer of a candle showed them the way. The ninth word is granary. Granary is a noun. Its meaning is a building where grain is stored. Its sentence could be, the surplus seed will be returned to the granary. The 10th word is gregarious. Gregarious is an adjective. Its meaning is liking to be with other people. Its sentence could be, Rachna is very outgoing and gregarious. The 11th word is grievous. Grievous is an adjective. Its meaning is very serious and often causing great pain or difficulty. Its sentence could be, he took a foolish financial risk and suffered a grievous loss. The 12th word is grueling. Grueling is an adjective. Its meaning is very difficult and making you very tired, needing great effort for a long time. Its sentence could be, this flight was more grueling than I had expected. The 13th word is guileless. Guileless is an adjective. Its meaning is behaving in a very honest way or not knowing how to trick people. Its sentence could be, Rita had the guileless innocence of a child. The 14th word is gullible. Gullible is an adjective. Its meaning is too willing to believe or accept what other people tell you and therefore easily tricked. Its sentence could be, these shops sell overpriced paintings to gullible tourists. And the 15th word is gumption. Gumption is a noun. Its meaning is courage and strength of mind. Its sentence could be, he had the gumption to go to the bank, get the money and do it. That brings us to the end of today's video. How many of these words did you already know? Do let me know in the comments section. I'll be back with more words in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel English is Easy with Jaya Chanani, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.